What's up, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Today I will be teaching you on indicator. I'm using an indicator window 1 that you can use to carry the spike in both 500 and also trade the candlestick. So before I hop into the tutorial, let me quickly show you the settings. So I'm only using this William percent range, this one on indicator 1. That's the only indicator I'm using. So let me click on it. So I'm using period 14. Pixel is 2, that is style 2 pixel, and blue color. You can use any color of your choice, and depending on the one you can see on your chart. So level is minus 80 and minus 20, but I don't think that will be necessary for me in this training. So let me tell you how it works. So I can see if price reach this zero level, that's hitting the top indicator, this thing here. If price reach here, that is when you are expected to sell. And if price quickly move down here, then you take your profit. And you can see this price is reacting here. Again, if you want to carry spike, when the price reach this minus 100 level, then it is a quick way for you to hop into the market, buy the market immediately. Market reach this zero, this 20 to this minus 20 to this zero level, then you take your TP. I can see it played well here. You can see when this market reach here, it bought, and the spike keep on going until it reaches 20 level. Do small pullback and reach the zero level. So in this strategy, you can use it to catch a spike and can use it to scalp the candlestick. So that's all. And if I backtest, you can see the thing is awesome. You can see how it play well inside these places. You can see. So if you like this video, please do well to hit the like button and share if possible. And also don't forget to subscribe again. Thank you.